Let me take you to a place that's close to my heart. A place where we have shared so many beautiful moments with each other and with those that we hold dear. A place where we go to truly connect with ourselves, connect with each other, and with nature. When we are here, we could get lost forever in the luscious green abundance of this ancient forest. When we're in this special place, time stands still, and we can truly hear the pulsing soul of the earth echoing in every whistle of the wind, in the endless flow of the river, in the gentle flutter of the butterfly's wing. Oh, how I wish everybody could experience a place like this. A place so full of peace and abundance and joy. Was there once a time that we all lived this way? That we all knew how to take space and live presently in the moment? Perhaps coming back to places like this is what allows us to connect to that. Something that allows us to remember just how easy it is to be present. Just how easy it is to be a part of nature. And with you, my love. Together, we've created a space where we can be open, vulnerable, and compassionate. A space where we can grow and learn about ourselves. And it's in this space that we've both experienced something so much deeper than we imagined to be possible. There is an energy here that calls us to be present, a sense of such pure consciousness that we have been compelled to share its magic with those we love. We've had rich experiences of adventure, of living as a community, and tapping into the essence of what it really means to be human and to be alive. We've shared so many beautiful moments of joy, laughter, and camaraderie that the beautiful stillness of this space facilitates for us. In the stillness, we can find peace. We can find introspection and a sense of reflection that allows us to grow and develop as people and as a community. Time and time again, we return into this space where we can truly be wild and free, where we can be one with nature and each other. Time and time again, we lose ourselves for days and leave this place with hearts less heavy, more connected, deeply healed, and ready to take the new found awareness back into reality.
been such a beautiful day, hasn't it?
Yeah, it always. It's so nice.
I love this place.
Me too.
So nice to spend it with you guys.
It's been nice to show you guys. Nice place.